Well, Fox 35 tracking the storm cell this morning as it heads our way. Heavy rain pouring down on Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. Look at that scene. There is powerful gusts creating some dangerous travel conditions. Passengers asked to shelter in place until the tornado threat passed. And I don't think you had to tell them twice with that scene out there for sure.
Yeah, it was nasty. And that storm system just kept moving across. And now we're going to experience a little bit of this tomorrow. Hopefully not to that degree, though, right?
Well, we do have the threat for damaging wind, gusts, as well as heavy rain, just like you saw in that video. Now, the line is going to be moving down, so maybe we can need just a hair, but still going to be a threat, meaning that tomorrow is a Fox 35 storm alert day because we are monitoring that threat for severe weather. Now, right now, it's rather calm, no severe threat today, but something that we will be watching for you very closely. Let's take you right on into our Fox 35 storm tracker radar right now. We are monitoring some sprinkles that are making their way across the Orlando metro into Seminole as well as Osceola counties, and it looks like the heaviest rain, and it is still light, is in Brevard County at the moment. Actually dry in Mico, but moving up toward Palm Bay, Melbourne, and even into Satellite Beach. So if you live there, likely going to be seeing some of that rain. No lightning strikes to report on at the moment. As for current temperatures, we're actually warmer than what we were waking up to yesterday, right around 66 degrees from Sanford to Kissimmee, low 70s in Titusville, and low 60s in Gainesville, as well as Ocala this morning. And those temperatures, like I mentioned, up anywhere from 5 to about 12 degrees from what we were seeing just 24 hours ago. We are out ahead of the latest fronts. You can see the warm sector is going to be helping our temperatures soar to the low 80s today and tomorrow. But this cold front is all associated with an area of low pressure that's bringing snow to Denver and off to the north. If you have any family or friends there, probably experiencing some very, very cold conditions while we are monitoring that severe weather making its way through Louisiana as we speak. You can see this line. It does have 3 tornado warnings at the moment. They're under a tornado watch until a little bit later this morning, but you can see very heavy rain falling, which could lead to localized flooding. We have a lot of lightning, more than 700 strikes within the last 15 minutes. And the main weather threat's going to be the potential for damaging winds. They could be seeing hail as well as the threat for an isolated tornado or two. So this line will be moving across the southeast and then into the Florida Peninsula tomorrow. So this is a look at our severe storm outlook. We have a likely or 2 out of 5 risk for some severe storms to be moving in. So what does that mean for you and your family? Well, we're monitoring the threat for heavy rain, frequent lightning, damaging winds, as well as a low, but still a threat for isolated tornadoes. So very important to make sure that you and your family are staying safe and weather aware as we head throughout the day tomorrow. Let's time out the skies for you. Between 9 and about 11 is when we're likely going to be seeing this line making its way into the Big Bend region, north central Florida, moving along the I-75 corridor into Lake County by noon, and then moving across the Orlando metro between 2 and 4 p.m. and everything should be clearing off to our south by around 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow night. So yes, it is going to be moving throughout the middle of the day. So that's why it's so important to make sure that you do download the Fox 35 Storm Team weather app. You can track the live radar right on your cell phone. And if there are any warnings or watches in your neighborhood, you can actually track them live right on your cell phone. Afternoon highs today will be in the 80s. That's the trend again tomorrow, but highs will be dipping into the low 60s as we head into your Sunday. Afternoon highs in the 60s means overnight lows will be in the 40s. Yes, some cooler air is on the way as we head into this weekend. That's why Saturday is a Fox 35 impact day, because we are going to be seeing those chilly temperatures by the time you're waking up.